Dear colleagues and friends, my name is Michael Dieter and I would like to welcome you all to the 13th Dental Facial Cosmetic Conference in November this year. My lecture with the title Clinical Solutions to Create High-Quality Direct Posterior Restorations in the Most Efficient Way will address those of you who want to be more efficient and productive with their direct posterior composites in their everyday clinic, but without sacrificing the quality and aesthetics of the restoration, of course. And there are, of course, specific steps during the clinical workflow that require our full attention. So the focus of my lecture will be dedicated to the isolation of the operatory field, the latest adhesive bonding techniques, the latest application techniques, that means layering versus bulk filling technique, and the complete and fast polymerization and why it's so important for the longevity of our restoration. Last but not least, I will address the very common problem of postoperative sensitivity and how you can avoid this significant problem in almost every clinical case. So I'm looking forward to having you all in my lecture on Thursday, 18th of November at 6:15 p.m. local time in Dubai. Until then, I wish you all the best, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.